Here at Fibre King, we've been designing and manufacturing palletising solutions for over 50 years. This robot palletising system behind me is a system utilising 3 robots to palletise at 12 different locations, which means we can run 12 different stock keeping units at any one time. This client is a fresh produce customer, and they're running up to 26 different SKUs in their business, and that ranges between crates, trays, cartons, and half-slotted cartons, which is a tray and a hood. The gripper head was designed and built by Fibre King. The requirements for this project meant that it has to handle a very wide variety of different products. So from a plastic returnable plastic tray through to open top trays and varying sizes from about 300 millimeters long through to 580 millimeters long. The design of this gripper employs a servo side grip system, which automatically adjusts on the fly to suit the product length. And in this instance, we are picking up multiple zones, so we can pick up 4 cartons at a time and place 2, or in some instances, pick 3 and place 3. So not only a palletising system, this is also a carton handling and carton sorting system. We've got a main trunk conveyor which utilises the Intralox double-acting roller belt, which is typically called DARB. And in this instance, we're using that to sort the products through to our pick-off conveyors. As the cartons enter into the system, they are scanned through the barcode on the front of the box, and that allocates that box to a certain pick-off position for the robot palletizer. And as the product approaches that pick-off conveyor, a gate drops down and will side shift the box into that pick-off conveyor. So the system is controlled by an Allen Bradley PLC. This system actually coordinates everything with the robot movements. The robot controllers themselves just have the basic process that the robot needs to take, and the PLC will tell it what to do within its routine. We've done it this way to make it simple for the operators to use, and allows the operator to go in and make changes to the pallet patterns, selecting which products get placed at which location, and all manner of different adjustments that they can make through the PLC. Another aspect of the robot palletising solution is the pallet handling system. Pallets can either be placed on the floor, they can be a centralised pallet dispensing unit which distributes pallets to each cell, and in the instance that we have here, we're using an over-under conveyor, so empty pallets come in at a low level, products are palletised onto those pallets, and that pallet is lifted and then driven out as a full pallet. In this instance, space was a constraint, and forklift operators will dispense 1 empty pallet as they come in to take away a full pallet. If in the future we may be able to upgrade this to a shuttle system delivering and taking away pallets, or even utilise AGVs, automatic guided vehicles. If you're thinking about implementing a palletising solution in your facility, speak to Fibre King today. We're Australia's only manufacturer that provides both mechanical and robotic solutions, so we have an unbiased opinion of what's the best solution for your requirements.